morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. A very happy Raksha Bandhan to all our viewers and readers. Let's start today's tech news bulletin. Reliance unveils Jio Air Fiber and Jio Smart Home Services at AGM 2023. The anticipated Jio Air Fiber is set to launch on 19th September. Jio aims to expand connectivity with Jio Air Fiber, targeting 200 million homes. Reliance also introduced Jio Smart Home Services, enhancing indoor data consumption solutions. Key products include the Jio Home Router relying on Jio Fiber and Jio Air Fiber. Vivo has officially launched the Vivo V29e in India, targeted at photography enthusiasts and budget-conscious consumers. The price range for the device starts at Rs 26,999 and goes up to Rs 28,999. It is available in two color options, artistic red and artistic blue. The phone boasts a 50 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus, a 64 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, and a Snapdragon 695 SoC. The device also supports 5G connectivity. Vivo emphasizes the phone's sleek design featuring a 7.57 mm thickness and a 6.73-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution. Next up we have ViewSonic introduces M1 Pro and M2e portable projectors in India. ViewSonic's M1 Pro is a versatile portable projector that can project 720 pixels HD images in a full 360-degree rotation. Noteworthy features include automatic keystone correction, four-corner adjustment, and a built-in Harman Kardon speaker. Connectivity options include HDMI, USB-A, and dual USB-C ports. The M1 Pro can run for 2 hours in eco mode on battery and can also be powered using a power bank. ViewSonic M2e with a sleek design supports TOF technology for instant autofocus and has built-in streaming capabilities. M1 Pro is priced at INR 99,000 while M2e is available for INR 85,000. The ROG Phone 7 series was globally launched in April, setting the stage for the upcoming ROG Phone 8 lineup. The IMEI database suggests that the ROG Phone 8 series might be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This upcoming series is expected to consist of the ROG Phone 8, ROG Phone 8 Pro, and ROG Phone 8 Ultimate. The database revealed their respective model numbers, while detailed specifications are yet to be unveiled. The prior launch indicates a trend of advanced gaming-focused features. The ROG series remains one of the forefronts in gaming smartphone technology. Next up we have online grocery delivery startup Zapto has raised $200 million in a Series E funding round, reaching a valuation of $1.4 billion. Zapto becomes the first unicorn of 2023 with this funding. The funding was spearheaded by Stepstone Group, marking its first direct investment in an Indian company. Goodwater Capital also joined the funding round. Existing investors, including Nexus Venture Partners and Glade Group Capital, have shown reinforced support with notable follow-on investment. Zapto aims to expand its services and market reach with this investment. Despite advancement in AI technologies, many businesses are hesitant to integrate AI chatbots in their customer support. A survey conducted by Capture CX unveiled insights into reservations regarding AI chatbot adoption. Capture CX specializes in vertical-focused chatbot tailored for multiple industries. The survey targeted senior customer support manager from major Indian B2C brands. Leading platforms like Zendesk, Freshdesk, and Zoho have launched AI-based chatbots earlier this year. The results highlighted concern and misconceptions preventing the smooth integration of AI in customer service. At last, Govo, a notable name in the audio technology industry, has introduced the Govo Go Surround 300 soundbar for the festive season. Despite its compact size, the soundbar promises a remarkable audio experience for music, movies, and gaming. The Indian consumer speaker market is anticipated to grow at a CAGR of 9.39% by 2027. The Govo Go Surround 300 soundbar is highlighted by its premium sound quality, exceptional bass, and competitive pricing. It comes equipped with 40 mm explosive drivers producing a peak output of 24 watts. The soundbar is expected to cater to the growing demand for home audio products in the Indian market. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
आपको भी कुछ ऐसा मैसेज आया? ये एक ब्रॉडकास्ट टेस्टिंग मैसेज है। इंडिया के नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टेलीकम्युनिकेशन विद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि जैसे कभी अर्थक्वेक आता है, कोई भी ऐसा डिजास्टर आता है, लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ता है टाइम पे, एंड इसकी टेस्टिंग चल रही है। तो आपको भी कुछ ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन आएगा। इससे घबराना नहीं है, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर टेस्टिंग और आपको अलर्ट करने के लिए आया है। तो अगर आपको ऐसे अमेजिंग टेक शॉट चाहिए तो IT वॉइस को जरूर फॉलो करें और दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करें ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेटिव रील, ताकि आप भी टाइमली सतर्क रह पाएं और इस सारी चीज़ों से बच पाएं। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट रील।